Wastelander's Friend is a unique, customized 10mm pistol found in the inventory of traders at Bunker Hill. Like other pre-war 10mm pistols, it's a reliable semi-automatic sidearm widely used by both civilian and government clients, known for its versatility and plentiful mod options. This version carries the crippling legendary effect, letting it deal 50% more limb damage, making it especially effective at disabling tougher enemies. It comes pre-modded with a calibrated powerful receiver, short barrel, sharpshooter's grip, large magazine, and a recon scope, with no muzzle attached. Location: sold by Deb in Bunker Hill.